Hi, I'm Kristyn with Then Beyond. Today's yoga posture is Savasana. Some people are surprised to find out that Savasana is a yoga posture, but this is one of the most beneficial, if not the most beneficial posture out there. Savasana is incorporated into all of our yoga classes. Sometimes you get more opportunities than in others, but no matter whether it's one Savasana or 20, make sure that you get the most out of every single one. Savasana helps to calm your mind. It calms your nervous system, promoting digestion and boosting immunity, and it can also help relieve fatigue and anxiety. The biggest thing with Savasana is to get out of your own way. You can't force relaxation. Instead, doing things like focusing your eyes on one spot and bringing your attention to your breath, not controlling the breath, but merely observing your inhale and your exhale, can help you get out of your own way so that you can reap the full benefits of Savasana. Let's go take a closer look. Savasana. Lie down on your back, legs straight, heels touch, feet fall naturally open, sort of like the pages of a book. Bring your arms down by your side, palms face up. Focus your eyes one spot, a soft, steady gaze to keep you present in the room. Remember, Savasana is a conscious relaxation. In some other yoga classes, you may have practiced Savasana with wide arms and wide legs. We call this a Superman or starfish Savasana. Here in the hot room, we recommend keeping the legs close together and the arms next to your side body to allow your heart rate to return to normal most efficiently during your Savasanas. At the end of class, while you're enjoying your final Savasana, feel free to close your eyes. That way your whole body can relax. You can tune in deeper inside, bringing all your focus and attention to you and getting everything you need from your practice. Keep these tips in mind next time you make it to your mat, and we hope you'll get more out of your practice with us. See you soon.